In working on your major project, I wanted to cover a few common mistakes that the students are making. So let's take a look at a paper here. And one of the first things that I'm doing is I'm scrolling down the screen and taking a look at everything. And the first thing I will do is click on the table of contents and do an update. Update entire table and say, okay, a lot of you are saving your paper and uploading it without doing this. This is probably the last thing that you should be doing on your paper is to update your table of contents and your bibliography or works cited page. So if you're making changes to your paper, do not forget to update those two tables. All right, so coming down the screen here, everything looks really good. Some of you are giving me papers that have a lot of dead space up here, and I will take off points for that. So please adjust those accordingly. And something that I would like you to do is to make your colors here match your theme that you've chosen for your site. And again, your color palette will be right here. And notice there's a nice orange header here. So what we can do is go up to this button here. I'm not going to click on it. I'm just moving up to this area, and I'm going to come down, and this little box down arrow, I want to click there. I'm going to right click on each one, do a modify, and here we have our format, font, and color, and everything. So what I want to do is change the color to something that's going to match that right there. So let's try that and say OK. All right, so now I can take this, make it an H1, hit center. And I'm going to hold the Shift key down and hit enter again just to put some space in between here. So looking pretty good. And notice how the image is within the margin area. Several of you are putting your images out here, and I do not want that. I want your images to be within the margin area, and also the image is not too large. Don't send me something like that because I will take off points for that. All right, so we need to fix this. And so now what I'm going to do is update the works cited page. And not sure how this happened or why there are 3 sources here. But in order to fix this, what you'll need to do is go to your sources, and you'll need to manage your sources. So if I go to the top and click on references, and instead of inserting a citation or building the bibliography, what I need to do is I need to manage the sources. And over here in my current list, you can see that I have 3. So I'm going to go ahead and delete 2 of those. And this is how you'll fix your table of contents here. I'm going to do a close. And again, I'm going to do an update. And now I'm back to where it should be. So I've got a nice bibliography page. I got a nice header footer. Got an image on here. Nice paper. And everything looks really good. So this is what I would expect to see in your homework as it's being submitted. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me or send me a discussion. And also, you guys, I do not mind that if you text me. If you'd like to text me, you can at 304-694-4991. Again, my cell number is 304-694-4991. If you do text me, please include your name in the text. Thank you.